Interesting scene. Now we need to clear the road for them. Drive to the side, let him pass, and drive around.
Oh, that's smooth.
So now it just thinks, okay, can I overtake? Checks it, and then we're reducing the speed that he can pass, and then we're accelerating again. So system now will drive to the right, patiently wait.
Oh my god 我只能不好意思用中文说是太牛逼了近乎完美 near perfect oh let's see what it does
Let's see.
oh
Let's see. Wow. Amazing.
So hopefully we will be the best.
fingers crossed you're a homegrown player kind of although Bosch is very Chinese now
Yes, but I mean the system is like heavily trained in China. So basically we have prepared like a route for you. So we put a lot of waypoints in here so we can sneak to small roads into like here into like also like residential areas where we possibly have some really challenging scenes, oncoming traffic. Yeah, and then once I'm entering the road, I'll just activate the system. My name is Moritz.
Moritz.
Yes,
okay.
exactly.
So the navigation pilot.
So we see the blue icon, which indicates that the system is active. So I don't have my hands on, although after like 10-15 seconds, I quickly need to touch the steering wheel.
Well, the current regulation is you need to have your hands on the wheel, right?
Exactly.
In Europe also?
Exactly, yes.
Okay. So I'm here at the IAA Mobility 2025, also known as the Munich Motor Show. This is last of 4 test rides I've done with 4 different solutions, and now this is the Bosch WeRide end-to-end. It has
NOA Navigate on Autopilot Level 2 Plus Plus.
Level 2 Plus Plus.
Exactly.
我们内部其实有一个叫 WePilot 3.0一段式段到端。
So they have an internal called WePilot.
WePilot
From WeRide side at least. So far I feel nothing. Like the way I rate it is if it's smooth, if it's boring, that means it's good.
All right.
So far it's okay.
我们这个是一个7V 的纯视觉的一个方案，现在是基于单偶刃来做的。
The sensor set we have here with LiDAR and radar and camera is in production and already in series, and now we reduce the sensor set to only video to show the capability.
Okay.
Also training.
Training for local.
Yes, now for 4 months.
4 months in Germany, but
Exactly.
in
Yes.
Munich about 2 or 3 weeks.
Yes, we haven't explicitly trained this route. We just drove in Munich.
I can pick any destination
Yes,
as
yes.
well.
But now we try to find some really interesting scenes.
Non-protected left turn.
Exactly.
Bosch is responsible for the hardware design and manufacture. We call it ADCC in China, 预控. Bosch is responsible for the hardware design and manufacture, and they're also responsible for the development of the basic software. And WeRide are responsible for the model training.
Interesting scene. Now we need to clear the road for them. Drive to the side, let it pass, and drive around.
Oh, that's smooth.
And also, what's one really big benefit of the system: the smooth driving, the human-like driving.
我确实要说，到现在为止，刚才的这种路况，你们是最好的。
We designed the route to contain the different scenarios. 如果你自己随意选点的话，可能会比较单一，非常简单。但是我们这个道路是 contains the different scenarios.
对，今天的这个场景跟上3家都略有点不太一样，因为是走的很小的这种城市道路，对，
小路住宅区。
So now it thinks, okay, can I overtake? Checks it, and then
Okay, I think that might be improved a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little hesitating.
刚才这一家很有意思，对，稍微有那么一丁点有点犹豫，但是过去了，对。
Bosch and WeRide has cooperated since I think 3 years ago, 2022.
22, yeah, I remember.
And we have 3 phases of our solution. So the first solution is a dual Orient X with a HD map. So the second is without HD map and Orient X.
Yeah.
So currently it's a single Orient X and without HD map.
But still,
so
for the
we
navigation,
call it WePilot 3.0.
who do you use? Some people use here or
It's
TomTom.
here.
It's here.
It's here.
Okay.
Yeah, so in Europe we use the here map and here navigation, but in China we use
A map or A map or Baidu or Gaodo. Yeah.
it's only the SD map, so no high
And
definition.
these interfaces have
We developed it. It's HMI. We developed it.
the production
Yes.
for the Exceed.
Yes.
So if I buy this car, it'll be like this.
In
Is that
China.
right? In China.
More
in China.
complicated. So for this demo, it's maybe a little.
Okay, I think that part could improve a little bit.
And I think it was already seen that there's somebody coming out.
Okay. But I think the algorithm can be
I mean,
planning.
it's not a final version. We are still
Sure.
in development, so it's like a development version, and we're still in like an improvement process. So when you're driving the system, if we would meet again in 4 weeks, you would again see improvements.
It iterates fast.
The iteration are really fast at the moment.
And I think it's not only for you guys, it's also for other people because there's AI, the technology, the capability of the hardware, software, everybody's improving. But who's going to give the best customer experience? But I would definitely say it's harder and harder to differentiate because the capabilities, everybody's elevated.
Yeah.
So this is a left turn?
Yes.
Okay.
Left
All
turn
right.
is unprotected
Okay.
without the traffic lights.
So now we're reducing the speed that we can pass, and then we're accelerating again.
Drivers here in Germany or in Western maybe part of the world is they adhere to the rules of the road. Whereas in China it's slightly more hectic, or sometimes like that car just now, he might have just come rather than stop for us.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But anyway, you always need to be prepared for non-compliant
Sure, because you're still responsible as L2.
Exactly.
这套方案在这个星图上面是已经
马上量产，
Bicycle.
我们是9月底量产，就是在国内的话，
对
是新的车型是 downring Y 的，然后是马上量产。但是在德国，现在咱做的这台车，它其实是量产的车子运过来的嘛，它硬件上面其实是双 Orin X 的，但是我们算法上模型上只用了一个 X， 所以还是 downring 的。
就够了。
对，就够了，因为它其实我们前面的这种高精地图方案的，或者是基于 RuBase 的，它其实算力可能消耗会有点多，但是我们现在是一整个大模型，就直接端到端的大模型，所以它整个占用的这些算力什么这些就会比较少，然后包括也考虑到成本嘛，然后就集中在一个人上面，所以就是一个 downring 的。
Oh wow, okay, that was pretty.
A little aggressive.
I wouldn't say aggressive, but it just does it. Like it doesn't think, hesitate, it just. It goes. That's probably how I would drive.
Exactly.
So,
And also, you always have to say, if you're too passive, it makes situations more complicated than just going. When you wait too long, it makes situations more complicated than they are. So often it's better to just decide and then go. So, system will drive to the right. Patiently wait.
Oh my god.
Smart.
My god, this is only with 7 videos. It's incredible. 我只能不好意思用中文说是太牛了。
我觉得比我驾驶要好，我绝对做不了这么丝滑。
这个车因为也是星途不有个 ET5 吗？上的那个 FSD。
对。
等于同样奇瑞内部的品牌会选2种方案。一个是选你们的，另外一个选了一个那个。
对，奇瑞它其实说老实话，它都有。它有地平线的方案，有Manta的方案，有华为的方案，也有博士和路演的，雨露均沾它。是
吧？就在这个阶段是这样的，但后面怎么说也不好说。OK， 现在是这种上匝道，然后上高速。对，并线。Bosch WeRide Level 2++ NOA ADAS on a Cherry Exceed Stera ES on the Autobahn in Munich, Germany. We can't get more international than that. So in this situation, a red, can you turn on red?
No.
In Germany, no.
There's like a separate traffic light next to it, and you will soon see it will become green.
Okay,
so
now you can.
Now I can go. It's also like a special, we first had to teach the system because originally it wasn't aware of that rule. A lot of small things we need to learn the system, but yeah, we're on the best way to further improvement.
Oh, great.
Yeah, also with the narrow turns, which closes again.
I'll say this, whatever the other three, I'd say that this path that we've taken is the best out of the 4.
Thank you.
I don't want to say this is the best yet, but at least I think the path and the scenarios that we saw, I think was very interesting.
I think the sentence which they dropped the most was like human-like.
让拟人化，然后比较丝滑，感觉非常聪明，
对，
可能比一些新手司机还要好。像我们驾驶技术不太行，有的时候都不知道怎么开，但他很早就帮你做了决策，帮你去规划去开。
因为我知道你们跟这个博士合作，其实有一阶段并不是特别顺利的，但是现在感觉又卷土重来的意思，我觉得有点这么一个。然后现在这个就今天这个表现是已经是，我觉得没有什么太可以说有什么不好的地方，
就是这是一个 POC 嘛，我们其实后面即将拿到一些量产项目，到时候希望能做一个量产的这种投产。
Zero takeover. I never had to intervene.
Have you
anything.
had two situations where you had to take over?
Yes, it's sometimes.
You did have.
It's sometimes.
好，你们这一次是非常近乎完美 ，near perfect. And it's still working?
It's still working, but now I have to deactivate it because.
Can you do it at the last moment?
We can, but probably it will. So we need to go to the left over there,
Uh-huh.
but it will go to the right
Because of the
we have now no
recognition,
navigation,
right.
and he always knows. Okay, if I go somewhere, I go to the right. So that's how it usually works. Yeah.
还在，现在系统进来了啊，还在工作。
Another thing would be if there would be a car in front of us driving to the left, we probably would go to the.
Oh, let's see what it does.
Let's see.
Oh,
Let's see. Wow. Amazing.
哎，
So
我可以
next-
至少这么说，
next-
这是4家唯一一家进到这个场馆以后还在系统还在工作的。
Next assumption is he probably will park over there now,
Okay, let's see what happens.
or just say, okay, I don't know where I should go. Please tell me.
Where was the destination?
At the gate.
At the
So we
gate.
don't have navigation on anymore. That's why he says, okay. Now he wants to park there, but we're not allowed to go there. So I will quit now.
啊，
But
太好玩
yeah.
了。
So when you
太好
don't
玩了
have navigation on, it drives as long as it's
It's
knows
based
where.
on AI, so-called AI.
Yes.
It thinks by itself.